In this ukulele video, I'm going to show you how to play the G7. Yeah, not the G chord, but actually the G7 chord. I'm going to show you why it's actually a little easier to get to the G7 chord, especially if you're coming from chords like the A minor to F. But stick around, because right now we're going to go over the G7 chord. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. And stick around, because I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly play the G7 chord. But if you're a little advanced and all you need to know is the shape, check this out. That's the G7. But if you need help, stick around for this video. I got some special bonuses for you as well. If you're watching this video and not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. It really helps me out. Turn on that bell notification. And then to help ukelikethepros, to help ukulele, to get this stuff out there to the world, make sure to leave a comment, smash that like button, and share this video. Besides the G7 chord, there's a bunch of other chords you need to know. Major chords, minor chords, seventh chords, all kinds of sus chords, all kinds of stuff. I have videos on a lot of those chords, but I also have a free chord chart. I'll put a link below. You can go ahead and download that. You can print it out. It's going to show you all the chords, the essential chords that you're going to see in songs. So when you're playing a song, you don't know a chord, bam, you got your chord chart right there to figure it out. So go ahead. I'll put a link of that below. All right, are you ready? Let's dive in. G7's right here. Now I'm playing my Koaloha Slimline tenor. This is made in Hawaii, Koawood. I am using Worth Brown strings. You can see the strings are actually brown, and I do have a low G on this thing. Don't worry if you don't have a low G or even know what that means. Any ukulele is fine. But if you like the Slimlines, if you like these strings, if you like anything or need anything for your ukulele, we got over 20 brands. The #1 store, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, let's grab this thing here. I'm just going to use my thumb to start. We got the open 4th string. I'm going to play my second finger on right here, 3rd string, 2nd fret. First finger here on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and then the 3rd finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And I'm going to do that. So open string, 2nd fret, 1st fret, and 2nd fret. Strum it with your thumb. Strum it with your 1st finger. Now, I mentioned earlier that this chord is actually easier than the G chord. The G chord is just right here. And although you do need to know that chord as well, what's nice about the G7 chord is if you're coming from a progression like something like this. Just C to the A minor to the F. Notice if you're coming from the F chord, which is really typical to go to the G7, not always, but very typical, you already got this 1st finger down and just got to move the 2nd finger and add the 3rd finger to get to that G7. So that's why I like to play the G7 chord there as opposed to the G, especially when you're coming from the F. So that's one little tip for you. So anyway, G7, let's do it again. And then that chord usually wants to resolve to the C chord right there. If you're ready to take your ukulele playing to the level that you know that you should be. I was going to say next level. Everyone says next level. Yeah, it's obviously going to be the next level. But check out ukelikethepros.com. That's my instructional site. It's the #1 ukulele instructional site online. We have over 20 courses, a fantastic premium membership. We've got a bunch of free stuff too. Free courses, free stuff over there as well. But come be a part of the Ukelikethepros Nation, because that's how you're going to grow. That's how you're going to get better, by being part of a community and letting me help you become that great ukulele player that you need to know. So, all right, there it is. There's your G7 chord. Make sure all those strings are nice and clear. You're playing on your fingertips. All your knuckles are well-rounded, and you're getting that nice clear chord. Don't forget, free chord chart below. Go ahead and go get that right now. So, all right, that's going to do it for me. I'm out of here. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you in the next one.